Hi, I'm going to show you a useful VBA code that you can use to check the spelling on any spreadsheet that you've done. So for example, this might be useful if you're working on budgets for the company that you work for. You've got a lot of writing in there about what different expenditure items relate to. You've also got a lot of figures in there, but in the process it's possible that there could be typos in your spreadsheet. So instead of manually reading through all the words, looking for spelling mistakes, looking for places where grammar doesn't make sense or that sort of thing, once you put this code into your spreadsheet, it's going to make that process much easier for you. Okay, so let's go to the Visual Basic writer. Okay, we'll start a new module. Okay, now let's use the properties window to name this. Instead of module 1, we'll call it highlight misspelled cells. Hang on. I think it might have to be one word. Okay, there we go. The reason for doing that is once you put a number of different VBA codes in there, you have a number of modules. It'll just help you find it rather than a generic module 1, module 2, module 3, etc. So we'll start this code. Highlight misspelled cells. Open and close brackets. Oh, hang on. Sub. There we go. Now we'll define the dimensions, dim, and it'll be a column, so CL, and it's going to look at the range of the columns, so as range. Now for each column, in the particular sheet that you happen to be on, so that'll be the active sheet. So basically we're using the CheckSpelling application that basically exists within Word. So we put Word equals cl.Text, then so basically that's just using the spell check application to check that anything written in text format has the correct spelling. So now we have to put in what it does if it is incorrect. So the column dot interior color. We'll need to spell it the American way here. And what color are we going to use? I think red is a suitable color for a misspelled word. So code for that is vbRed. Then end if next cl, just to close it off. That's the end of the column range. So that should work. Let's have a look. Okay, I'll put a bunch of words in here. Let's put in some animal names. Zebra, lion, tiger, polar bear, giraffe, and let's put elephant in again, but with 2 T's. Okay, now we don't need to select it as a range, it should just work. There you go. It'll go right to whatever your misspelled words are on the active sheet and highlight them for you. So that's how it's done. I hope this has been useful.